G'day folks, this is Corey Hind. I hope you're really well. This is marketing time and I want to give you guys a quick little lesson which I think will help you out a lot. So it's really important. Now this video is only a couple of minutes long, so do watch the whole thing. It's really important to get people to believe you and trust you in the fact that you do what you say you will do. Okay, so this video is called How to Jedi Mind Trick People. It's not really a Jedi Mind Trick at all. It's just collecting social proof. So last week I emailed a stack of clients to say, hey, it's time to get some more Google reviews. We need Google reviews to show people, to demonstrate to people that other people use us, trust us, love us, because the internet is like this giant lie detector test. People are pretty savvy now. They've probably been burned before or had friends that have been burned. They need to have faith that you will deliver on your promise. So we get Google reviews, we get testimonials, we get LinkedIn recommendations, endorsements, we get Facebook recommendations. This one is about Google reviews. So what you need to do is go to your Google dashboard and grab this little guy down here. Okay, there's a little link here called Share the Review Form. Grab that link. Okay, that's really important. We want to use that in a variety of places. I'm going to flick over to an example of a letter that I would write for somebody. Now, this is just an example, but this is what I get people to do. Marketing is sometimes a graft and a little bit unsexy, but these are so valuable. Now, the reason I'm shooting this video is one of my clients got 6 new reviews in the last week, which has pushed him up from around spot 5 on Google My Business to spot 4, and soon he'll be spot 3 for his particular industry and location. That's worth big money because people just go to those reviews, they look at them, they go, oh, right, this guy here seems pretty trustworthy and good and relevant. Let's go to that business. And that's worth big money. So here's an example of an email I would write. G'day, John. Thanks for being a customer. We're keen to get better. In fact, we want to become the best. So we value your opinion. We'd love to hear from you. Is there a way we could do better? Get back to us. But hey, if you're happy, as we say down here, if you're entirely satisfied, would appreciate a quick Google review. And you pop the link there. Now, if they receive that email on their desktop or laptop, it's highly likely they're already logged into a Google product somewhere like YouTube or Gmail. And when they click on that link, it'll take them straight to your Google review form. And they'll do that for you. This works all the time. Now, you can use those reviews in other places as well. You can screenshot them, use them on Facebook. You can use them anywhere you like. You can use them on your website. We need to increase trust and faith. So that's why we use Google reviews. And this is something that I recommend businesses do every single week. My basic package, I do this for people every month. I script this out for them. We get it done. And then we put in a little sneaky PS as well, which is an opportunity to get a referral as well. Okay, lots of businesses, especially here in New Zealand, don't regularly communicate with their past clients. Now, this is just a way to get those referrals that people might have been at a party just last week and their friend said, hey, I need a so-and-so, and they go, oh, yeah, I've got that guy who can solve your problem. And then there's an email from you saying, hey, we're currently paying a $100 cash bonus or a voucher or something. So they'll send that on. Now, where else can you use this link? So this link up here, which is so valuable for your business, Google reviews are the most important reviews by a mile. So we want to get them. Can you use them in Messenger? Can you send them to people who have engaged with you via Messenger to ask, hey, how's it going with that new thing? By the way, we'd love a review. Or just use a script like this as well. How's it going? Can we improve? Can we become better? Because remember, if you become the best on the planet for your thing, people will talk. Can you go into your Instagram direct messages and send that link to people there? Can you go to your LinkedIn messages and talk to people in there who've done business with you or inquired? Facebook comments. So your page or group might have had a big discussion about something. You might pop that link in there and say, hey, guys, if this has been valuable for you, we'd really appreciate a Google review. It helps us to reach more people just like you, and that's our mission, is to become the best. And then, you might even get creative. Like if you do my type of stuff, marketing consulting, it doesn't kill me to give somebody a free 5-minute phone call in exchange for a review. So think of how you can get that link to places. Get out there and do it, because I know that when people get more reviews, that helps them rank higher on Google My Business. And when people say, I heard about your business via Google, usually that's actually Google My Business. So it's really useful to get more reviews, and that's how we do it. All right, any questions, just pop them below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, have a great day and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.